Have you ever?
Damn. Uh. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Uh.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me Masik Tech. So as you read from the title, this video is about my small guard, which is this, the Gatekeeper. So actually this product is sent from the Untethered company, a new company, and the new product from that company. And the day around, I think it's 1 year old, but it's the first product from that company. So pretty much exciting, and it's really a gatekeeper which will protect your stuff in your absence, but not the gatekeeper like just the man standing behind your door and just protecting your all of the room and stuff or your house, but it's actually protecting the electronic items like your computer, your laptops, etc. Before I explain you further about its usage and how to use it, and is it worth it, do you need to buy it or not, is actually do we need it or not. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing of this. So I got this package from the Untethered company, this yellow package, and inside this package, first thing we get an invoice copy of bill and a small blue box. On top it's mentioning about Gatekeeper, branding, and its website gkeychain.com. Inside it we get a Gatekeeper itself. It's very tiny and lightweighted and gives a smooth matte finish feeling all over our hand. There is a small keyring hole at the corner of its edges and a golden hole in front which will give you a sound output, a small green LED, and also a battery compartment inside which we can insert a standard CR2032 battery which can be found in any store, and a button it's on its edge which is usable only while the firmware update, but holding it gives a sound feedback, and also the green LED lights up. More inside the box, we get a neck strap which is of very good quality and long, and it can be easily inserted in the Gatekeeper and we can wear it around our neck, so no need to just put in our pocket or just attach in the keyring. Next thing is the quick start guide, a lanyard, and a USB Bluetooth adapter, and last thing is the battery. Also the model number is mentioned on its back, so you can easily buy this from any type of store, so no need to worry about what is the model of this battery and the size of it. Let's come back to the Gatekeeper. So first of all, let's insert the battery. Make sure not to insert in a wrong way, otherwise you will be in trouble. Just holding this button to test that out it's working or not. So the green LED lights up, and also it's giving a sound feedback, so it's working right. So next thing, we will set this up to the PC, and also we will start just using it, how it's performing or not, and how much distance it covered, and how much time it will take to lock or unlock. First thing, we need to insert the small Bluetooth adapter in the USB port of our PC. Next, we need to download the software from their website, and also it's super simple to install. To register this, we need to touch the tiny Gatekeeper with the Bluetooth adapter, and it will automatically update the firmware also if there is available any. Now enter your Windows password so that you can enable this feature. Next, you have to create a new pin for the authentication. For example, I'm inserting 12345, but make sure you are using any other strong password because it's the main unit. Now our Gatekeeper is connected. The signal strength, motion, and battery level can be easily seen in this. We can change the range of locking option according to our size and length of the room, so that it locks automatically when we just put our legs outside the room. Last is to insert the authentication pin again to save the settings. And there you go, it's done. So I'm just doing some important work on my PC and I'm now thirsty. So I want a glass of water, so I will go outside the room. So in my absence, as the connection between the Gatekeeper and Bluetooth adapter will break, then immediately the PC will be locked. So no one can use it to destroy my work. So it's pretty much good thing to protect our data. But also if somebody removes the adapter, then what will happen? again same, the PC will be automatically logged. So this is a quite an excellent stuff which can protect your data in your absence. So one question from you, do you actually need this gatekeeper? Think about it for a minute. Just I'm explaining what it does and how can you do with this. You can install Gatekeeper app also in your Android smartphone and Apple smartphone, available in the Play Store or iOS store. And this app is helpful only while you just forgot it Gatekeeper anywhere. Like if you forget in your purse, in your pocket, in your drawer, or anywhere in your room, also in the key ring, and just you can tap the locate button on the smartphone Gatekeeper app, then it will give you a sound feedback so that you can listen it and just you can take this Gatekeeper back. You carry your smartphone every time, so that will be helpful in finding these type of things. So I think it's the right time to know the answer from you, just you need really it or not. So let me tell you one thing, that if you're doing a personal work, your homework, on your computer, any type of work, just watching movies, installing game, playing games, and doing some stuff important, and some browsing internet or social networking, then I think it's the normal for everybody. But if you have some important files, companies, and you are office, you are in hospital, and if a patient comes in emergency in your hospital and staff members trying to help him, and no one will remember that we need to lock the PC in our absence, so this Gatekeeper will help in those circumstances, and it will automatically lock the PC when you just going away from your PC. And when you just come back your PC and see that, oh my god, it's locked, and you will thank this Gatekeeper that in your absence no one can destroy your work, or no one can hack your PC or get some important file from your PC. So really great. And big companies and staff members in hospital, they should use this. But for personal work in your home, I think no need to buy it, because actually this is very much expensive, and it's cost you around rupees 6,000 or more on Amazon.in if you live in India. But you can bought it from Amazon.com, and it will cost you around rupees 4,000, around 4,400 approximately. But for your office work, it's worth it. So you should buy it if you have some important files and stuff in your office computer. But also if you do some important work in your home and there are small kids, your friends, and in your absence, just when you go outside the home and turn on the laptop or PC, so in your absence when they are just doing some of the work and start just pressing the keyboard buttons here and there, small kids usually do like that, then this might help in those situations too. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any thoughts about this Gatekeeper, you can just put them in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel and already haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Good luck for your data, Gatekeeper.